the town. Whew. All right. I do love the view that you can get from this lift hill. Watch you sort of climb up. You can see the castle in the background, the rest of the coaster. It's awesome. All right, kids, here we go. Don't try this at home. No! Whee! Oh, this never gets old. And woo! Oh, a little bit of an airtime moment. Post in the comments below if you love Big Thunder Mountain. Alright, here we go! Whee! Oh! Oh man! Woo! Hello, Steamboat. Oh, so awesome. Hello, how's it going? Good, how are you? Alright, here we go in Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I kind of love this little dip out of the station. Woo! Oh! It does take you by surprise. Alright, guys, so I think this might have even been one of the world's first swinging roller coasters. You'll see that the trains actually swing as we go around turns. It's different from like those old aero suspended coasters that swung. See, look, here we are swinging a little bit. And then of course we have the awesome little dark ride part here. In a mine. In a mine. Mine. Sing along, everybody. Hi-ho. It's up the lift we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho. It's up the lift we go. That's not actually what they're singing. That's my version of it. Here we go. Whee! Smile for the camera. So much fun. All right, here's the Seven Dwarfs Cottage. Little fun fact about this is that some of the characters that are inside here are from the old Snow White Scary Adventure attraction that used to be here at Disney World. Not the dancing ones, but the rest of the set, I believe, is all from that old attraction. There she's dancing. See you later, Mine Train. All right, here we go. See if you can catch a glimpse of the witch right here at the end. There she is. Awesome ride, I love it. All right, everybody, here we go on the Barnstormer. This is certainly the youngest of all of the roller coasters here at Magic Kingdom, meaning made for the younger kids, but it's still a lot of fun. Here we go. A lot of screaming. Oh! Crashing through the side. Oh! So much fun. Short, simple, but very quick and fast. Space Mountain. Here we go. I will warn everybody it's going to get dark here momentarily, but I do have a night shot on my camera, so we'll give that a try. All right. Into the blue tunnel. Whee! Gotta love me some blue tunnel. All right, everyone, smile for the camera. There's a big airtime moment coming up here, so everyone hang on. Ready? Here we go! Whee! And drop! Oh! Oh! Here we go! Woo! Oh, I love Space Mountain. Woo! Which do you like better, blue tunnel or red tunnel? Tell us in the comments. And that is Space Mountain, and we love it, and it is awesome.
Docking crew, stand by to initiate unload procedures.
And here we go, unloading procedures.